Cos Engineering Association held an event with the theme Engineering Challenges in 2021 and Beyond on 29 May. Cos Engineering Association mission is to provide pro bono professional advice and support to projects and communities in Pakistan to repay their debt to the motherland state. Association main objectives are to provide expertise and assistance for the talent pool to Pakistan industry, academia and professional organizations. Cos Association giving opportunities, pathways and correct direction to the new migrated engineers from Pakistan so they can easily work in their fields. The association is highly qualified and under the qualified engineers from the different engineer sectors like IT, civil, mechanical to guide the right path. The event was held in the supervision of President of Cos Engineering Insaf Khan, the Vice President Khalid Javed. Executive members were Ahmed Jamal, Sayyid Abdul Ghani Azizi and Dr. Tahir Qureshi.
This association started in 2017 with 9 of close engineering friends. Some of them are still here and some have retired or they have left the organization because of their commitment. But I really appreciate for their commitment to the organization, their work they have done. When they are coming for work experience or they are coming for the internship, please provide them some technical knowledge also. Let them come on the shop floor, just not in the office. Because engineering work, engineers don't learn or don't seek any knowledge just sitting in the office. My humble request to you, give them some opportunity to go on the shop floor to learn something, give them some engineering tasks also apart from the other things you are assigning to them. That's my humble request to you. I'm also thankful to the media group, Shafaq Jafri of Pehchan TV. Your hard work in keeping the community informed is highly appreciated, and without you there will be no communication and there will be no existence of the Pakistani community. You are the backbone of the Pakistani community and we highly appreciate your work.
The president of PAE Insaf Khan briefed about the vision, mission, objectives and goal of the association. Success story of Abdul Ghani Azizi was also told. Media persons and other community members were awarded by the association. Shafaq Jafri, the CEO of Pehchan TV, awarded by the PAE in the event. Pehchan TV had this opportunity to cover the exclusive informative event. Different companies' representatives gave speeches and show concerns about how engineers can come and join their companies and can do work easily in their fields. Chief guests were the High Commissioner of Pakistan, Babar Amin, Senator of Australia, Mehreen Faruqi, and Consul General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ashraf. The High Commissioner appreciates the work of the association and provides assurance of support from the HC office.
I would, before I start, I would like to support the point made by Senator Faruqi regarding need for participation in politics. And I'd like to quote here one of the two most famous political scientists from ancient Greece, Plato. Plato wrote that that we the Greek people do not consider a person who does not participate in politics as harmless. We rather consider that person useless. So I would also strongly endorse the need for having a say and participation in political activities so that the representation of your voice is heard and given due regard.
Senator Mehreen Faruqi appreciates and was very glad and told that she is also a civil engineer and a PhD, but she joined politics. So she wants other engineers to join politics for their betterment and their rights.
He was never ceded. This is, always was, and always will be Aboriginal land. And I do also want to recognize that as we struggle for social and environmental justice, we need to be aware that there can be no social or environmental justice without racial justice. And there can be no racial justice without First Nations justice. So it is the responsibility of every single one of us to stand alongside and behind First Nations people as they struggle for treaties and for self-defense.
Consul General Muhammad Ashraf appreciates PACOS Engineering Association and also said that he will help connecting Pakistani companies with Australia to flourish their more skills.
I really am thankful to the Pakistan Australia Engineers Association for organizing such a technical event and this kind of session. Pakistani Australian community, I have been saying at all forums, is a different type of community which we have here. It's a community predominantly of professionals, of which engineers are a very critical and a very important part.
A role model where engineers can pursue a career in politics, I think is a very inspiring thing. And the second is then being very candid over the public life of Australia. Thank you very much, Doctor.
Virtually, so feel free to attend that. You can find that via the Engineers Australia website, and we'll, so it's completely open for non-members.
If you go back to 213 years ago, it is Westpac. Right in April 1817, they started operation in New South Wales. Now they are still successful. They are competing.
I can understand where from this passion comes, because all those people, for all their school lives, every day they have been listening to लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया में.
It's not going to be about marketing the best company that's ever been around for doing testing, even though it is. My talk is basically going to be around